I need to talk, I need to speak to the parents. First of all, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting our students, for bringing your children here. Students of G-Force, can you please give a round of applause to your parents? So this is not easy because this morning, I came from, like 8 a.m. after I came home late for a dinner, no? And then I came home late, but I had to get up early for my son's basketball. But that's how we are. That's, it's not really a responsibility, but that's how we show our love and support to our children. So, hello po, mga familiar faces. Hello, good to see you again here. And for me to get up in the morning, early in the morning, drive my son to the basketball, it's really a fulfilling thing. Hindi ko masabing job. It's really different, no? Parang overflowing with love. So ngayon, I would really like to thank you guys for bringing your children here. Now, why is this Performance 101 very, very special? If we can break down the volume of the music. This is special because we have created this for our students to have this kind of performance and interaction, not only to our audience, but also to teachers and to other students as well. Most of you have done G-Force project. That is our biggest and the grandest summer dance workshop. It's the biggest here in the Philippines. So when we perform, sino po bang nakapag-G-Force project na? Ayan, and then competition din, di ba? Competition also. That's in Soler Theater. Do you get to see the faces of your audience? Go to them. Go to them, please. Have you done G-Force project? Who from there? Yan, over there. Sige. Can you please stand up? Stand up. Do you see the faces of your mom, your dad, your friends? No. You don't get to see the faces. Tama ba? Ikaw ba na nagpe-perform ka, nakita mo yung face ng mommy mo, ng dad mo? Nakita mo? Anong television? Anong ticket ng mommy mo? Here, nasa nakaupo si mommy. Asan ba si mommy? Where is mommy? Over there! Here. Maya, over there. Sure, Maya. Saan ka nakaupo, mommy? SVIP. Okay, so meaning sa first row. Second row.
Just like this.
Just like this. First, but mommy, I have a question. Why, after that experience in Soler, that's the biggest and the grandest. It's it's a theater. Why enroll your child here in Performance 101?
Because she plays dance and to enhance the dance skill pa.
Well, thank you for sharing. But for many of you, your children, probably, they all love to dance. But pwede naman sumayo lang sa bahay, di ba? Maglalagay lang kayo ng cellphone dito, tapos mag-TikTok na. Di ba? Paano yung teacher George? Cellphone na ba? Ayan na. Ayan na. Oo. Pwede naman, di ba? Pwede naman. But why here? Now, this is the beauty of our branches, G-Force Dance Center, because, you enter a room full of other students, full of energy. And that's something that you cannot get in a digital space. This is about human connection. This is about exchange of energy. Like what we are having now. I really advocate now, communication, interaction, and human connection. Because, most of the time, actually, all of the time, your children are here. Andito na po. Baka na hindi na yung children niya, baka kayo. Kayo mismo. Ang buhay nyo ay nasa cellphone na lang. All of us, actually, lifeline na natin to eh. We can't live without our cell phones. But, yes, agree siya.
Strongly agree.
Agree siya. Diba? Yes, wala, hindi pwede. That's why, also, in our discipline, discipline action, no? Hindi na yun nag-work. Because this is really like getting their lives. So, now, pero I'm not saying for you to have your time for everything that you do. You have time for school, you have time for writing, you have time for reading, you have time for cellphone, and kayo na yan, parents, ang mag-manage niyan. Anong time nila for cellphone? Is it for research, Google? Is it for watching movies? Is it for watching content on YouTube? Is it for research? Is it for playing games? Nasa sa inyo na po yan ang pag-manage niya. Now, here at GeForce or GeForce Dance Center, meron tayong oras for dancing. So, importante po, and that's why we are here. We are creating programs such as Performance 101. This is really important for us because here we help children really express and have this interaction. Now, dancing is one, but why performance? Why performance? Nakita niyo naman po kanina sa interview. Line up, please, teachers. Thank you. Come in. Join the teachers. Come. Line up, line up. Okay. And diba, kayo yung students, one by one. Diba, tinanong, what's your name?
George.
What's your name?
Micah.
Micah. What's your name?
Arisa.
Okay, what's your name? Lolly! Hello, what's your name? Kylie. And most of them, nakita niyo naman po iba-iba ng personality. No? And most of them are parang ganito kay Kylie. Super shy. Pero pag sumayaw na, wow! Wow! Naging iba. Kanina shy. Tapos nung nagsayaw na, ibang-iba na si Kylie. So that is also the gift of performance. Because when you get on stage, kayo po, hindi nyo alam, pag ang anak ninyo may Instagram account or may TikTok account, ang sasabihin nyo, bakit ganito siya sa video? Pero pagkausap ko, ayaw magsalita. Diba? Kinakausap ko kayo mga anak nyo. Diba? Magkukulit kayo because it's really different now. This generation is really different now. But children, students, teachers, go to your students. You encourage them to talk to their parents, to their siblings. Okay? To talk to your friends. It's important to talk. Hindi lang puro internet ang kausap ninyo. Okay? Pag may emote, nag-emote na yan. Ang tatanungin na. Diba? Oo. I got scolded. Twitter. Yeah. Emote na kaya. Why am I feeling this way? Boom. Upload. Ay. Oo. Ang importante kayo po ang kausap. And that's why it's also important here because, okay, who from your students have met a lot of new friends here in GeForce? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. So yung mga wala pang namimit, please, sige na. Alam niyo sa church, yung peace be with you, peace be with you. Gawin niyo ngayon. Peace be with you, peace be with you. Sige, face each other. Face each other. Peace with you, peace with you, peace with you. Okay. Because it's important, no? Performance also, kita nyo dito po sila nakaka-interact sa mga tao. That's why we really encourage our students. Come here, teachers. Join me here. We really encourage our students to not just, take classes. Taking classes is one. No? And then, ito, Performance 101. And then, first time po namin magkaroon ng collaboration with Enchanted Kingdom. It has always been my dream to bring our students to a different level of experience. Sabi ko, gusto ko magkaroon ng parang festival. Yung parang, alugin muna natin sila, tapos iba rin yung alug nila pag sumasayaw na, no? Yan. So, originally po, iba yung plano. But fortunately, I was able to meet the owner of Enchanted Kingdom. Her name is Dr. Cynthia Mamon, and I also met the husband, the founder. And they're a very nice couple. And when we got a chance to really talk, nag-align po yung mga values namin and vision. They are really helping the Filipino talents and talagang they really promote Filipino products. So sana po masuportahan niyo yun. And ako iba po, nako, maski nga